What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and we have on the channel yet again a 4-channel dash camera. You guys, 4-channel dash cameras are the best, especially when you're doing gig work. Of course, you got the company's name. Everything is on there. It says AI Dash Cam. Everything is AI. There's no getting around it. All right, so we got a box on this side, which is probably wires and all the goodies over this side. All right, so you have the suction cup. Suction cup, this is the rear camera, and then you have the main component, which is the dash. And again, you can turn this 180 degrees. You can go up and down. This is a little bit different than the other rear dash cameras that I had because this is a 3.5 millimeter jack. And usually when you have a rear camera, it's usually a USB type C, which is interesting. It comes with a memory card, 128. So you have 4K in the front, you have 1080 on the sides, and then you have 1080 on your rear. Oh, the AI system on here is pretty cool. One of the cool things on here, they have something called driver fatigue, okay? So let's just say if, you've been driving for a very long time and your eyes start to close. The system in here will let you know, it might come up with a warning. With that, you have voice control and other cool stuff that you can do with this. All right, you guys, so it is install time. It is time to put this 4-channel dash camera to action. We are going to check out the video quality and all the good features that it has. Well, maybe not all, but we're going to try to get through most of it, all right? Every time I try to go through everything, then the video be too long. All right, so, and then I have to break it down in certain parts and all of that good stuff. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. So we have the camera. I'm going to need the instructions. So I'm going to put that to the side for now. For the most part, we're just going to mount it for right now. We have 3M double-sided tape right here. So we're going to put that to the side. Main thing we need for right now is our suction cup. All right, so we have our suction cup. We need power, so this is our power source. And we have the other mount right here. Let me see, is this the other mount? All right, I believe this is the other mount, you guys. But right now we're gonna mount it up regular. So, okay, right there. So you see this little recess part, and then you got this part right here, right? You have to loosen this, and then when you loosen that, you can flip that, all right? Loosen, flip, and now you can put on and slide. This is your front camera, and these will be looking inside of your car. One will be looking at the passenger, and then one will be looking at the driver's side, okay? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put this up right now. All right, so we just removed the protective film, very tacky, and we're gonna go ahead and put it up. And this is how you put it. Just put it somewhere where it's comfortable at, you guys. All right, and then when you put it up, just close it shut, and for the most part it stays secure. All right, these mounts are pretty good. All right, twist it tight, and then there you go. So you have one looking at you and then one looking at your passenger. If you want your dash cam on your dash, then you are able to stick your 3M mount right here, or your dash mount with your 3M tape right there. And then you have the same situation to slide and then lock it in. All right, so it's two ways. Now we have the rear camera, all right? And we are going to go ahead and I'm just going to take it off from here, all right? It's just take off and put on. If you have dealt with dash cameras, then you probably seen this setup before. But if not, there you go. You see the little lip right there, and then you put it back in. But what we're going to do is just leave it out because we are going to transfer the wire into the back. And to do that, you will need to use your little pry bar right here. And it's plastic because you don't want to use nothing metal. Metal can, scratch your interior and all of that. But what you do with this is just you pop up your panels, whatever panel you have, you can just pop it up. So when you use this, you can pop up your panels Sorry for the dirty car, you guys, but it is what it is. All right, so you can just pop up your panels, and I demonstrated this before. So that's, if you want to hook it up, you can run it through your panels. Well, and just pop it, and then once you have the panel pop, you can just pull it out. All right. Now, I'm not going to show y'all all the way how to install this because y'all might have a different car. I'm just showing you different techniques on how to do it. Okay. Now we have our 3mm right here, and then we're going to go ahead and put it into our dash. So where's the 3M? All right, so it says channel 1, channel 2. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in channel 1. I'm not going to do a full install right now, but I'm just going to show y'all different techniques. So in the other dash that I use, I put it above here, and now I'm running it on top. You would need 2 hands to push it as far as possible. But this is a Dodge Avenger, just to let y'all know. So if you're trying to do it on a luxury car or something, you're doing it wrong, maybe your car might be different on installing something, okay? We have all 4 cameras. They are automatically hooked up. We hooked up the back camera. The back camera is inside the car, okay? The back camera is inside the car. When you hit M, you can scroll to wherever you want to go. So if you want to go back to dash camera, you can. You got voice control. Just doing this real quick, you guys. I'm not going to go over everything. So there goes all your voice commands. DMS, you saw the sleeping guy. That's the DMS right there. It says eyes closing. It senses if you closing your eyes, smoking, distractions, yawning, phone calls, driver absence, and all of that. And this thing, you know, it works. It makes this little siren sound when you're not looking. It did it to me a lot of times, you guys. It is what it is. So I turned it off. Okay. So it's definitely, it works, just to let you know. So let's go to settings. We already formatted the card. The card is already formatted. You have your parking mode. Let me hit M. Okay, you got to hit M again to go over to the next dot. Then you have GPS, and then GPS status, and then you have speed adjust, speed unit, time zone, and daylight savings. So the only thing right now we're going to do is time zone, because I want to put it on the correct time. So while I'm out, if something happens, I need to give the judge some info. I have everything correct, right? So let's see what we're doing here. Right now it's 5. Well, it's 4. Then we just did clock setting, right? Or did we did time zone? Okay, so everything is good. We already set all of that. Let's get back out. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead, put it back on dash camera, and I'm going to drive around, and just so y'all could, you know, see the dash camera, the quality of the camera. I'm not going to touch no audio. I see the mic is on right there, or it's red. I don't know if that's on or not, but we will see once I go through production. If I don't get no sound, then I will do it over again so y'all can hear the sound. I know some people really don't care if it doesn't have sound or not, because they're more worried about, you know, what's going on outside the car and inside the car. All right. And that's about it. So I'm gonna turn this off, and then I'll see y'all on the dash camera. Camera is okay. It's more rectangle. If you're used to more of the square, then you probably like the square more, because you kind of see more of the screen. But honestly, when you got a dash camera, I mean, it's a dash camera. You're not really looking at the screen of the dash camera, right? But yeah. So this is me talking. Hopefully y'all can hear the audio and whatnot, but camera is on the rear windshield back there. So now we're going in the area where a lot of people, see, people just come right in front of you, don't care. This is why you need the dash camera, you guys. This is why you need the dash camera. If you go over 50 miles per hour, the limit on here will go red. The speed will go red if you're above 50 miles per hour. All right, we're breaking the limit. Can we get above 50? All right. It's red. It's red. When you go above 50, you are red. All right, you guys. So that's it. I mean, there's not too much more. I just wanted to show y'all the quality of the camera. If we have audio going, hopefully y'all hear some good audio. If not, I will try to do a separate video and I'll voice over this video. But that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.